Hey, what's going on? Do you love music and you want to get paid for it? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 websites that will pay you cash just by listening to music. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to have you here. You know what to do. Keep liking my videos and make sure you keep commenting so that way it can be recognized by other people. So love you guys and keep coming back to watching my videos. So what I talk about on this channel is how to make money online, affiliate marketing, just different ways where I can share my knowledge so you can go out there and crush it. So that means that you could apply what I teach you so you can make money. So I'm going to show you 5 websites that will pay you to listen to music. So if you love music, you got a headphone, you're in the gym, you're working out, and you can get, time can pass by, you can make money just by listening to music. So here are the 5 websites that I'm going to share with you right now. So coming in at number 5 is a website that is called slicethepie.com. So Slice the Pie, you get paid for your opinion. So all you have to do, you can just sign up, right? You can sign up, and once you sign up, they will pay you just to review the internet. You can listen to music and you can earn cash as well. So if you come down here, your feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots of other things, artists, record labels, there's brand decisions. So people, brand new upcoming artists, they probably put their music on here, and all you have to do is just give you feedback. You can listen to music and you can get paid. So far, they have paid over $4 million just since they started this particular website. So if you want to sign up, you click on the sign up tab. Once you click on here, you can put your first name, put your last name, create a password, of course. Make sure your email address is correct, male, female. Put your date of birth. You sign up for the agreement, and you can join. And the next way that you can earn from this particular website is by referring a friend. So if you click up here to the refer a friend area, you will get a code. Once you get that code, you can just use it. So that way you can refer to other people as well. So you can invite your friends, family members, and you can even make more money just by going and promoting it on Twitter. You can go and do it also on Facebook. So you can go to different Facebook groups, promote it, and you can earn extra money just by referring people that they can make money just by listening to music. So Slice the Pie is a great website. That's why it comes in at number 5. So coming in at number 4 is another website that is called hitpredictor.com. So hitpredictor.com is also a website, but on here, what they do, they will pay you through gift cards. So once you sign up for it, you give the directly influence the new music before it's released. So what they do, these are new music that are coming out, and most of these are not even on the radio yet. They haven't produced. These are upcoming artists, and they put their music on here. So you listen to it, you give your feedback. Once you review the songs, you can earn gift cards. So for this website, they pay you through gift cards. That's the only thing. And you can make a difference by influence record labels, radio station, the artists, their managers on what gets released to the public. So great feedback. If the song is good, the song is good. If it's not that good, give your honest advice, because they're looking for people to give as many reviews as possible. So that way they'll know, hey, do I need to change the tempo? Should I put it in a faster beat? And most of these songs that you hear on the radio use some of these websites because they have to release it privately before they go public. So you could just sign up. If you're already a member, you could sign in. If you're not a member, you click on sign up here, and it will take you, you pick a screen name, your ethnicity, male, female, date of birth, what country you're from, any country you're from. There's a lot of different countries on here. So this right here could be worldwide if you're overseas. Mobile, put in the number there. this is what? This is enter a refer. So if someone refer you, you could do that. If you got a promotional code, you could do that. If you don't have any of those, you could just sign up. You're not a robot, and you can make money through a gift card. So that's coming in at number 4. Hit Predictor.com. Coming in at number 3 is a website that you can get paid to listen music is MusicXray.com. So this comes in at number 3. And on here, this is if someone is an artist, they will sign up here, music industry, and you could just browse for opportunities. So you could sign up here for free, you get an account, and they work with huge companies, corporations in the music industry, and need music for Netflix programs and all that type of stuff. So you come on here, there's over 200 available opportunities across all styles, all genre. So you could come on here, you can get some music, learn more about these new artists, and then you could get paid. For this one, you get paid every time it gets to $20, they will pay you. I do think they pay you about 10 cents to listen to one song. So if you're in the gym, as I said before, you're working out, you're doing a set, you're exercising, you can let that pass by. And if you at a place where you can listen to music at work, you could do so as well. So check it out. You can earn some money just by doing things that you love. Coming in at number 2, we're talking about uniquerewards.com. So with Unique Rewards, you fill out the registration, you visit these sites, right? You can also shop online as well through this, but the main thing is about listening to the radio. So you listen to the radio, and they will give you how long you need to listen to the radio for. Maybe you need to listen to it for 30 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, and then you give your review. So I've just signed up. Here are some testimonials that people are already giving. Right? I just signed up for absolutely free offers and receive $105 for 2 days. So people are making money from this. So not only listen to music, you can watch videos, make money. You can click on ads. You can shop online, reading emails, complete offers and surveys. So this particular website, you can make money doing multiple things. But this is all about making money through listening to music. So that's why I kind of told you that, hey, you can listen to the radio, but you can also earn money from doing all this. So earn easy pay by click there, and you can click on here to sign up. Once you sign up, you're ready to go. So that's coming in at number 2. Coming in at number 1, as I mentioned before, top sites that pay you to listen to music is research.fm. So research.fm is a radio. Radio is counted on you. So it is a radio station. We'll send you an invitation to a survey. So they do things a little bit different. So you listen to it, you rate it, short music samples on our secure survey. You claim your rewards. You're going to get Amazon gift card, and you can also do some surveys on here as well. So once you do that, you quick poll what type of device that you're going to use. So we can just go through this together. Maybe you're going to listen it on your desktop, and you click vote. And majority of people, they listen to it on their phone. So total votes are 718. Desktop is 17. MP3 is 3%. MP3? What? Yeah, well, people still use that. So MP3, other tablet is all said done. So once again, these are the top 5 websites. So the first one you got is slicethepie.com. You have hitprotector.com, musicxray.com, uniquerewards.com, researchfm.com. So if you do enjoy those top sites that will pay you cash to listen to music, do remember to like, subscribe, become a part of the family. This is indeed my YouTube channel. As I mentioned before, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways where I can share my knowledge with you. So if I find some make money online programs, I'm going to let you know. Why? Because I care, right? So make sure you go out there, use these tools, use all this information to make money, listen to music, earn some money, So that way you could pay some bills or do whatever it is that you want to do. But if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, check out the first link in the description. I'll send that over to you right away so you could check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, I'll see you in the next video. Let me know in the comments what you think. You got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Peace.